Welcome student. Today we study the soil profile. The soil profile is defined as a vertical section of soil through all its layers or horizons extend up to the parent material is known as a soil profile. In this diagram we see the different horizons or layers of soil profile. There are soil profile is majorly classified into 4 horizons, that is known as a horizon A, horizon B, horizon C and horizon D. In horizon A we see the layers A0, A00, A1, A2, A3. These are the sub-layers or sub-horizons of horizon A. In horizon A is also known as a elevation zone. Usually it contains undecomposed or partially decomposed organic matter, and the color of this layer is light. The horizon A is furtherly divided into A0, A00, A1, A2 and A3. There is a A00. Here we see the A00. There is undecomposed organic matter. Then A0, there is a partially decomposed organic matter beside this layer. Then A1, there is a dark color, have a well decomposed organic matter and it mixes with minerals. Then the A2 is the light color with maximum leaching of minerals or nutrients from upper layer. Then the A3 is the transitional layer than A and B. So in this layer we see there is a change of layer. Then it is start horizon B. In horizon B there is a B1 is the transitional like B than A, and it is deep and dark color and maximum accumulation of clay and minerals, iron, organic matter. And then the B3 is the transitional layer of horizon C. Then we see here there is a horizon C. Horizon C. In horizon C there is a withered parent material with accumulation of calcium carbonate and calcium sulfate, and there are small stones which are crushed in different sizes. These are C in this horizon or this horizon C, that is known as a horizon C. Then we study the horizon D. Horizon D is the bedrock, or it is known as a parent rock, from which upper layer soil produce. Which minerals are contained in this rock? These are the minerals which comes above the soil surface or in upper soil surface layer, and these are the nutritional value or minerals of soil which are useful for plant growth. So majorly parent rock is important, that play an important role in color of soil. That is, we see the white color soils, then the brown color soils, then the black color soils, gray color soils, red color soils. These are the depend upon the parent rock, and this parent rock layer or horizon D is also known as a bedrock. In this diagram we see it is known as a bedrock. Then we study the what is soil. In left hand we draw the soil, that is both horizon A and horizon B is collectively known as soil, and in this layer more or less organic matter, decomposed, partially decomposed, undecomposed, and minerals are available. That is known as a soil, and it is the fertile layer of soil. Then the both soil and parent material is collectively known as a regolith. So these 2 points or these 2 concepts are also carefully listened. Both horizon A to horizon D, or horizon C, that is known as a regolith, and it is in diagram we see different layers and also discuss the different horizons which are found in soil. One point should be noted, that the soil profile in different soil are produced or appear, but when we study the alluvial soils, that time soil profile is always absent, because alluvial soils are newly formed every year through the eroded material which is deposited by the flood, river flood. So in alluvial soils there is a soil profile always absent. This point should be carefully study or listen. Then we study the importance of soil profile. Soil profile, it is important for the soil classification. Then it shows the soil forming process and help pedological investigations for the pedologist which are study the rocks or stones, that scientist known as a pedologist. Then it help understand the soil moisture and plant relationship. Soil profile show the different characters of soil like depth, texture of soil, structure of soil, drainage condition of that soil, minerals and organic matter which are contains high or less in that soil, etc. These are show or investigate or characterize the soil with the help of soil profile. And soil profile is important for know the information about crops to be grown in that particular or definite soil. So soil profile is important, and also sometimes soil profile we show the water table up into the soil. So there is a definition of soil profile. It is defined as a vertical section of soil showing the various layers from the soil surface unaffected to the parent material is known as a soil profile. There are three main horizons of soil profile, that is the horizon A, horizon B and horizon C. Then the number fourth one is the horizon D. It is also known as a parent rock or bed rock. So we study the what is soil profile and what is the importance of soil profile while study. Then we in our next video we study the new point of soil agronomy. So thank you student, study carefully and keep in your mind what is soil profile.